London City. Every day, thousands of stories begin here. But today, one unexpected moment is about to change everything.
Finally, we've arrived in London.
Wow, this city looks amazing. I can't wait to explore it.
Wow, this city is so big!
Yeah, it really feels like a dream place.
Let's walk a bit more. Then we'll go back to the hotel and rest.
That sounds perfect.
Emma, look at that building!
Wow, it's so tall.
We're just going to grab some food nearby. You both stay here for a minute.
Listen carefully. Don't go anywhere. Stay right here and wait for us. Okay, Mom?
Jack, keep this with you. Don't lose it, okay?
Me?
We'll be back in a minute. Keep this safe. There's some cash and the hotel address inside.
Okay. I'll keep it safe, Dad.
Emma, stay with Jack, okay? And both of you stay together.
We'll be back very soon with some food. Emma, let's walk around a little, just nearby.
Jack, no. Mom and Dad told us to stay here.
Emma, I think there are some dolls nearby. Let's go and see.
Okay, let's go check it out.
Jack, look! So many teddy bears. They're so beautiful.
Wow, they look really nice. Emma, maybe I'll ask Dad to get you one of these teddy bears.
Aw, that would be really nice, Jack. Jack, stay with me. Don't get lost.
Okay.
Jack! Jack, where are you? Jack, where are you?
Emma! Emma, where are you? Please answer me! I lost Emma. She was just here. Where did she go? Emma, please answer me.
We're back.
Where are Jack and Emma? They were right here.
Mom, Dad, I can't find Jack. I looked everywhere.
Emma, calm down. What happened?
Tell us slowly.
Dad, we were together, and then Jack got lost in the crowd. I couldn't find him anywhere.
Oh my God, we need to find him quickly.
Mom, I'm sorry.
It's okay, Emma. Don't cry. We'll find Jack. Just stay calm. You take Emma and search on the left side. I'll check the other side.
Okay, but please hurry. I'm really scared something has happened to him.
Jack! Jack, where are you?
Emma, don't stop. Keep looking.
Jack, please answer me!
Jack, where are you? Jack, please answer me. Where did you go? This city is so big. How am I going to find you now? I couldn't find Jack anywhere. If he goes further away, it could be dangerous. He's new in this city.
Jack, my baby, what if something happens to him?
I think we've lost Jack.
Mom, Dad, where are you? Please, I'm here. Don't leave me. Where's that bench?
And where did the teddy bear shop go?
Mom! Mom, where are you? Excuse me, have you seen my mom?
No, sweetheart. Are you lost?
Yes, I can't find my family anywhere.
Dad said, there's money in the hotel address inside this wallet.
I have to go back to my hotel. Is this the hotel? Where is it? I have to find it. Jack finally finds the hotel address and moves forward with hope. Hey kid, where are you going?
This is our hotel. I'm staying here with my family.
Okay, thank you.
Where are you going, child? Are you alone?
No, I came here with my mom and dad.
Mom, Dad, when will you come? I should go to the room and rest for a while.
Finally, I'm inside the room now. It feels so good to be here. I was really scared and tired, but now I can rest for a while.
These cartoons are really funny!
Mom and Dad still haven't come back. I'm feeling really tired. I think I should get some rest. Maybe they'll be here when I wake up. Wait, Jack still has the wallet and the hotel address.
I think Jack already went back to the hotel.
Then we need to go now. We can't waste any more time.
Come on, we have to get to the hotel.
I hope Jack is there. I'm so worried.
Excuse me. Have you seen a boy named Jack? About 13 years old, wearing a cap and a striped t-shirt.
No, I haven't seen him yet. But don't worry, we will help you find him.
Mom and Dad still aren't here. I think I should go outside and look for them.
Oh my god. The room key is still inside. And the wallet too. What am I gonna do now?
Now what am I supposed to do? I'm so hungry right now. Maybe I should find a restaurant or something.
Where am I supposed to find a restaurant in this place?
Hello, sir. What would you like to order?
I'd like a burger and some juice, please.
Here's your burger and juice. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you!
Excuse me, your bill comes to $5.
Oh no, I forgot my wallet in the room. I don't have any money right now.
What? You ate all this food without any money? You should have told me before ordering.
I'm sorry.
You ordered food and now you can't pay for it.
I'm sorry. I thought I had enough.
Hey, calm down. Why are you talking to the kid like that? Because he ordered food and now he says he can't pay for it. Here, let me pay for the boy.
All right, sir. Thank you.
Where are your mom and dad, son?
I got separated from them. I don't know where they are right now.
Come with me, Let's go to my room.
What's your name, son? My name is Jack.
Grandpa, how can I find my mom and dad? I'm really worried about them.
Don't worry, son. Everything's gonna be okay. We'll find your mom and dad, all right?
It's me, my mom, my dad, and my sister Emma. We came to London a few days ago.
All right. Come on, let's go find your mom and dad. I'll help you, okay?
Sir, please don't worry. We're going to help you find Jack. Thank you. I just want my son to be safe.
He was here. Jack was definitely here.
We were too late. He must have just left.
Look, that's Jack's bag on the table.
I think we've lost Jack.
We can't waste any more time. We need to find Jack right now.
Yes, we have to find him as soon as possible.
Stay close to me, Jack. We'll find them.
Okay, I'm just worried.
I know. We'll find them together.
Excuse me. Have you seen a 12-year-old boy? He's wearing a cap, striped t-shirt, sky blue half pants.
What does he look like?
What's his skin color? He's fair-skinned.
I think this is your boy. Jack,
My son.
My son.
Thought I lost you forever. I was so scared, Jack!
I'm here, Emma. I didn't leave you.
Dad, I'm sorry. I didn't listen to you.
It's okay, son. Just don't ever scare us like that again.
Mom, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to make you cry.
It's okay, my baby. You're safe now.
Thank you so much. We can't thank you enough. We're really grateful to you.
It's all right. I'm just happy he's safe.
Now that's better. A family together again.
Thank you, truly.
We'll never forget this.
And this is how the story ends. With love and family back together.
We're together again.
We made it.
I love you all so much.